Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Easy English by English Learning Podcast with Adam and Sarah. I'm Adam.
And I'm Sarah. In this episode, we're talking about a fun topic, hobbies.
Yes, everyone has hobbies. Hobbies are the activities you enjoy doing in your free time.
Exactly. Talking about hobbies is a great way to start a conversation and make new friends in English.
So, Sarah, what are your hobbies?
I love painting and reading books. I also enjoy cooking on weekends. What about you, Adam?
I like playing guitar, going for walks, and watching movies.
That's nice. See, you can use simple sentences like I like, or I love, or I enjoy to talk about your hobbies.
Exactly. Let's teach our listeners some examples. I like reading. I love playing football. I enjoy listening to music. I'm interested in photography. My hobby is cooking.
Great examples. Now let's do a small conversation so listeners can hear how it sounds.
Okay, let's go. Hey, Sarah, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love painting. It's very relaxing for me.
That sounds fun. How often do you paint?
Almost every weekend. Sometimes I paint nature or city scenes.
Wow, that's creative. I like playing guitar and writing songs.
That's cool. Do you play every day?
Not every day, but I try a few times a week.
Nice. So listeners, you can ask questions like, what do you like to do in your free time? How often do you do it? Why do you like it?
Yes. And you can answer with, I like, I love, or I enjoy.
Let's go through some vocabulary related to hobbies. Hobby, something you like to do for fun. Free time, time when you're not busy. Relaxing, something that makes you feel calm. Creative, using your imagination. Outdoor activities, things you do outside, like hiking or running. Indoor activities, things you do inside, like painting or reading.
Those are perfect.
Thank you. And remember, hobbies are great conversation topics when meeting new people.
Yes. You can say, I like music. What about you? That's how small talk begins.
Exactly. Let's do one more dialogue before we finish.
All right.
Hi, Adam. What do you like to do for fun?
I love playing guitar. Music makes me happy. What about you?
I enjoy painting and reading.
Nice. Do you paint landscapes or people?
Mostly nature, trees, flowers, and the sky.
That sounds beautiful.
Thanks. So listeners, try talking about your hobbies in English with your friends.
Yes. Keep it simple. Use I like, I love, or I enjoy, and share why you like it.
Okay, quick recap. Today we learned how to talk about hobbies, ask questions about them, and use words like free time and relaxing.
Perfect summary.
Thank you. And your homework today, think of 3 hobbies you like and say them out loud in English.
That's a great way to practice.
All right, that's all for today's episode.
Thanks for listening to Easy English with Adam and Sarah.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also share with yours friends.
We hope we'll enjoy this lecture.
Keep practicing and we'll see you next time.
Take care of yourself.
Goodbye.